According to this old sea chart, the lost island isn't myth.
No time for complaints, Polly. Adventure awaits. My tail feathers.
This place gives me the creeps.
These symbols match the ones on the map.
Noodle, we're close.
Close to getting squished, you mean?
The island's heart. It's alive.
Yeah, and it's waking up. Can we vote to not touch anything shiny? There it is, the Sea Gate. We're almost where? To our doom. Remarkable. A city lost to time. The Atlanteans must have built this.
Yep, and clearly forgot to mention the robo-sharks watching us. There are 3 doors, but only one path.
Just once. Can the answer be labeled exit?
Make sure to subscribe for the next part.